I definitely recommend you to come to the University at Albany. It's an amazing place. There are amazing faculty and staff whose main goal is to get you to where you want to go.
I recommend UAlbany to pretty much everyone I know.
Education like this you can't find just anywhere.
It's a research university, so they have a lot of opportunities to get a lot of hands-on experience.
Like, I heard about all these things I could do. I could get an internship, I could do research.
It really doesn't matter what you want to get into. UAlbany has a program for just about anything.
They're great advisors and they actually care about their students.
It's awesome. It feels like I'm in the cutting edge.
The resources here are just amazing. The facilities are fantastic, and I love this place so much.
It's really important to gain real life experience.
And it's a lot more exciting than sitting in a classroom.
Out here in the field definitely beats the desk job any day.
You're getting that well-rounded experience that employers look for.
All the professors seem to know someone that they can put you in contact with who could possibly give me a job.
It's really incredible how much you can do beyond UAlbany with the connections that you make.
And I feel really prepared for the next step after I graduate in May.
This university is expanding, it's growing, and I want to be a part of that.
There's so many new things going on campus.
I'm super excited for a new auditorium, for all the new food venues.
Including Starbucks. I love Starbucks.
Maybe I'm biased, but the athletics here is amazing.
There's the whole danger zone, like go out and support our football team, our basketball team.
Anything that you're interested in, we probably have a club for. UAlbany has so many leadership opportunities.
With the different training opportunities, the lectures, the experts that come in and speak, this all prepares you for the future and what the future holds.
This is the only place where you can join so many organizations. It's the only place where you can get internships so easily and have people sitting with you and mentoring you through this.
We're in the capital of New York, anything's possible here.
The opportunities are endless.
If you're looking to grow, if you're looking to be in an environment where you're able to define yourself, then I feel like this is the right campus for you, because it certainly has been the right campus for me.
Coming to school here was the best decision of my life.
It's probably one of the best decisions I ever made.
You'll meet lifelong friends, gain connections that you'll have for the rest of your life. So I definitely choose UAlbany. It's a great place.